I got bunnies to show you today. Not these ones, these are my dogs. I got 3 cross stitch to show you today from 7th grade. I have unboxed from 7th grade one time before. Last time I actually showed you my bigger flower rabbit, so I think I kind of have a 7th grade theme, which is bunnies. Yeah, so 3 bunnies, and they are all from Joy Sunday. As far as I know, they are all stamped. Yes, sir. So let's start with the first one. This one. Oh, my table is not very clean. Excuse me. This one. Should I have some more light? Yeah, let's go with that. Should we have some more light? Just a minute. Just a minute. I don't know if that made any difference, but yeah. So first one is rabbit and flower. Cute little one. 22 by 28 centimeters, 14 count. And let's take it out. This one is, let's see, I have hidden my notes here. What is it? Rabbit and, no, bunny and flower. Is the bunny? Yeah, bunny and flower. Bunny girl and flower, yeah. Because I call it something different just on it. So on 7th grade, it's called Bunny Girl and Flowers, and it's $4.69. Let's take it out. Okay, we got a mess. I made a mess. Sorry. So here it is. So adorable. A little girl, bunny girl, holding a basket with flowers, blue flowers. Yeah, so cute, so cute. And something for my logbook. Yeah. 24 colors. 14 count. Yeah. And there's quite a lot of back stitching, and yeah, that's just how they roll often. Just on there. A lot of beautiful colors in this one. Here is the fabric. Yeah, this is one of those that will be very nice and soft when you have stitched for a while. It feels kind of stiff at the beginning, but it will soften up nicely. I can feel that. So yeah, let's see how the stem is. It looks okay, I think. Of course, it can get a little bit disturbed by they have actually printed the back stitching on, which I think is unnecessary, because when you have stitched it, you can't even see where it is gone. You have to use the chart anyway. So, and it kind of blurred a little bit up. Look at here. But other than that, it looks really fine. Yep. And yeah, symbol is clear. We have 2 green squares. How is it? No, there's actually 3 green squares. Let's see if it's... we have 1 here. And 1 here. That's a darker green and a lighter green. So... yeah, so many colors to choose from. But I think we can see a difference. Yes. Good, good, good. Here's the colors. Beautiful colors. And here we have some orange and pinks. Yeah, and on a floss card, so that's nice. So that was the first one. $4.69. Very Easter thing. Like it. Like it a lot. So next one is a little bit. No, we take the bigger one at the end because I have one big. That's 11 count, and this one is 14 count. So cute. I really, really adore this one. It is called Rabbits and Yellow Flower. It is $3.69. It's so cute. So cute indeed. I'm just getting rid of some garbage. So here is. We'll get there, we get there. Hang on. This way and down. Yeah, we're getting there. Isn't it cute? Such a cute little one. 20 by 14 centimeters. 14 count. Smell the roses. No, it's not roses, but... Okay, so here is something. In this one they have given us, and I like that. This is for if you are doing the cross stitch by chart, paper chart. These are the symbols for that. And this is what you find on the fabric. So I really like that. 15 colors. And one of them, the black one, is back stitching. So 15 colors in this little cute one. And we have the pattern all in one page. Nice and clear. Yeah. Nice and clear. Yeah. That could be a nice little one to do in between your bigger projects. And $3 and what did I say? 69. Good price. So look at this tiny one. Look at this. Isn't it cute? Oh man. Adorable. Bunnies Nectar, it's called. So again, Bunnies Nectar is what Joy Sunday call it, and 7th grade calls it Rabbit and Yellow Flower. You see it up close. Here it is. And here's the symbols. 14 of them. And the first one, 310, is for back stitching. We have something here. What is that? Half stitches. Ooh. Oh, what? Half stitches. Can we see that? Yeah, the background maybe. I think the ones with the line over. That is marked. I think that is half stitching. Number 2. Yeah. So the ones are here, 2, 10, 11, 15. They are the colors we are having in this, but they are marked differently, so you can see that they are half stitches. Interesting. That gives it, if you look at the picture, it gives it that kind of faded background, so I kind of like that. Yeah, cute. And also the grass. Really like this, so cute. And clear enough, I think. So yeah. Okay. And here are the colors. Oh, they're very, very, very light, lovely, peachy, pastel kind of colors. This is going to be a cute one. I think I'm actually going to start this. Maybe I should do it in a stitch with me. It's a cute one. And we do have 2 needles. We also always get 2 needles with Jewish Sunday. So that was the second one. And next one is the bigger one, which is an 11 count. And it's also a bunny, and it's also Easter. Cute. 41 by 39. Yeah. This one is here called Easter Bunny, and they call it also Easter Bunny on 7th grade. It is $8.15 on their website. Let's get the thing out. It's not often you come across 11 count. Anyway, not often. I come across 11 count for Jewish Sunday. Okay, should we look at the chart first? Yeah. Yes. Backstitching, of course. Here we have them. And here you don't get symbols for the fabric, only for the paper chart. What do we have? We have 1 French knot with the whites, and we have 2, 4, 6, 7 colors for backstitching, and 33 colors in total for the crosses. 33, that's a nice amount, I think. Let me show you the image. This way, and that way, and this way. Okay, yeah, I can see it. It's cute, huh? Little bunny. I love bunnies. This is also going to be very, very cute. So here is the fabric, 11 count whites. So it's a partial. This is also one of those that will be very soft. So no problem with that. It again feels stiff at the beginning, but it will soften up. So I can feel it's nice quality, and it's thick. Yeah, very thick. So let's take a look at it. Do you want to see the print? In this particular one, they did not put on backstitching, and I like that because, as I said before, you can't see it anyway after you have stitched it. So maybe I'm wrong, but I cannot see them. So here are the symbols. You can see that also. Maybe you can. I'm going this way. And my fingers coming up. 33. Yeah, I think it looks fine, clear. 2 green squares, but they're very different colors, so no problem there. Then we have a purple plus sign and a purple X, which I find annoying. I prefer if they have to have an X and a plus sign, then please different colors. Could easily get them mixed up, I think, when you're sitting in a dark evening, tired. So, and they are quite different, I think. 2211, I think that's some kind of a light purple, and this one is kind of a light brown. So if you get them mixed up, not good. But yeah, love them. So the places that require French knot is a circle. So I think this one will be the one. Don't know if there's any more. for now, that's the only one I can see. So, I really love this. I really love this as a nice fabric. Kind of want to do that too. So yeah, need to get a look at these beautiful floors. We have 2 needles and they are for 11 count. Yeah. My squeaky chair. One card we have the white and I think off-white and some yellow. Beautiful. Then on the one side we have the green and yellows, a little bit of orange also, a little pink, a very light green there. Man, that's beautiful. Okay, other side. Here comes all the lovely purple. All the lovely purples. Purples. If I can get it here. Look at these purples. Oh man, so beautiful. 209, 210, 211, 550, 552, 553. Yay, so gorgeous. Okay, so this one is going to be very beautiful indeed. So yeah, that was my 7th grade bunny unboxing. Let's line it up. Here they are. What do you think? Do you like them? Which one is your favorite? If I should be honest, I actually like this. I just feel the expression on their faces is so cute, but I really love this too. Yeah, but this one is just such a cute little one you can do over a weekend maybe or something, depending on how quick you are. I'm not quick, so but here they are. So $8.15, $3.69, $4.69. So thank you so much to 7th grade for sending me this. They are so pretty and I really love it. I love them all, but mostly this and this. Yeah, let me know in the comment which one is your favorite. And thank you so much for stopping by. Go check 7th grade out, and I will leave a link and stuff down below so you can see if there is something you might want. Never know. But thank you for watching, and have a wonderful day and take care of yourself, and I will speak to you in the next one. Bye bye. Happy stitching.